Here's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The body grabs you, the interior draws you in, and the engine keeps you coming back. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, 3 12-volt power outlets, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern mid-sized luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.